Okay, here we go. I've got my liners here. I washed them off. I've brushed my teeth. I've flossed and everything. Let's see. Here goes nothing. By the way, I took medicine, Tylenol, like 500 milligrams, like 30 minutes ago. Stay still. Okay. Let's see. Oh God, that is tight. Oh my God, that's tight. Okay, the bottom ones are in. Now for the top. Oh God. Yep, tight. Oh my God, that's tight. Oh my God. Okay, looks like they're on. I'm done. I'm about to go to sleep. These are so tight. There's so much pressure in the front. I'll let you know how it goes in the morning. Good morning. I made it through the night. Oh my gosh, you can see that. It's so bright. I took my Tylenol last night and I went straight to bed. I didn't fall asleep right away. The pressure was a lot and my tongue was just exploring everything in my mouth. I managed to go to sleep after like 45 minutes of laying there. I could tell they were in my mouth. The whole time I was sleeping, I could tell that they were in my mouth. So it was kind of hard to go to sleep. It was kind of hard to stay asleep. I normally sleep very well. I get like 7 hours and maybe wake up once in the nighttime and toss and then I'm back to sleep. So last night was very difficult for me to go to sleep. I should have took the Tylenol PM, but I didn't. Oh well. So I'm gonna try to that sounds so crazy. It's so crazy. You can see there's like spit in there. Oh my God, it's disgusting. I'm gonna try to take these out. Let's see if I can brush my teeth and get them back on. So bear with me. Okay. Let's see if I can get these things out. I have the little tool thing here, but I feel like I have nails so I can get it out. Ah! Sorry. That's disgusting. Like those off. And then the bottom. Oh. Oh. Oh God. That pressure when I take that off. Oh. I just like my teeth just touched and oh my God, that's sore. Anyway, you can feel the pressure relieve a little bit when you take it off, but all this kind of pain comes when you take them off. That's weird. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to brush my teeth and then I will put them back in. I will check back in with you guys later on my way to work, and I'm not eating anything. I'll show you what I eat later. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my washing machine or dryer was on earlier. I should have turned that off. All right, I'm going to put these back in. I rinsed them off already, but something's still there. Okay. Brushing my teeth was really weird, by the way. It didn't hurt. I just felt a lot of sensitivity. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. How do I get this thing back in? There you go. Ah, golly. That hurts more than when I put it on the first time last night. Ow, that hurts. Okay. Should have took medicine this morning. That's a note. Okay. God. That hurts. Okay. Last night it was kind of a pressure. This morning it hurts. So I'm gonna get ready for work. I'll let you know if I eat anything for today. I'm definitely gonna go take some medicine. Bye. Hey, I'm back. So today was not as miserable as I thought it was gonna be. I managed to make it through the whole morning. I did not eat any breakfast because I didn't want to take them out. I didn't want to have to brush my teeth. I didn't have to floss or nothing like that. I just ate lunch like about an hour ago. Taking the longest lunch break ever. I had a liquid lunch. I had this Boost complete nutritional drink. And I had this meal replacement from Walmart. I guzzled down both of them because I was starving. I took off the aligners to drink my lunch. Drink my lunch. Goodness. I took off my aligners to drink my lunch, and once you take them off, oh my gosh, the sensation, it's a lot of sensitivity. Everything just feels weird. Biting down, oh God, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it at all today. But that wasn't so bad. But I will say putting them back on really sucked. Taking them off kind of, it doesn't hurt, but it hurts. Okay, it hurts. Putting them back on was really painful. So today just seems like it's going to be a horrible day for that. Taking them on and taking them off is the most painful part of this whole thing. Them being on my mouth is perfectly fine. I wanted to just share with you guys. With you guys some of the things I noticed from today. When I took the medicine earlier this morning, it took about 20 minutes for it to start working. The pain went away quickly, 20 minutes. The pressure is still there, so that's not going anywhere. You can get rid of the pain because it hurt this morning. It was not the same pain I felt last night, and that could be because I took the medicine 30 minutes before. But again, the pressure will stay there. I noticed a lisp, obviously. I have to speak a lot slower than I normally do to be clear, and it's weird at work because everyone keeps looking at me like, I have a lot of spit in my mouth. I'm constantly swallowing, trying to get rid of all the spit in my mouth now. That's weird. I noticed that now when I pull them off and put them back on again, it's not like I have to go around and push the whole thing in. It goes on fairly simply. It's easier than it was the first time. But I do need my chewies every single time. Once you chew on those, the tightness turns up. If it was on a 7 before, it's on a 9 now, honey. I still need to use the chewies no matter what, even if I can get them on and off fairly easily. To get them seated on my teeth all the way, the chewies work. I haven't gotten any sores or anything like that on my mouth. I haven't gotten anything on my cheeks, on my gums, or my tongue. My tongue is all over, exploring every single piece and every single part of this aligner. But I haven't gotten any sores or anything like that, so that hasn't been my experience yet. And I'm also very thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm just like, all day I've had 4 bottles of water, and I normally don't drink that much water. So, and that was just in the morning. I'm working on my 5th one right now. I'm very, very thirsty. I'm not hungry anymore, but I was like starving earlier, so I just took them off, put them back on again. It was painful putting them back on, but the pain went away very quick, and I think that's because I have Tylenol 8-hour. But other than that, that's been my experience. I'm aware that they're in my mouth all day long, but it's not preventing me from going about my day and having fun and talking to my coworkers. I just have to slow down a little bit, get the spit out of my mouth, and stop lisping. So that's how my day has been so far. I will check back in with you guys tonight when I have to take them off to have liquid dinner and go to bed, and I'll probably do the same thing. So see you guys then. Day 1 of aligners is done. I really don't have too much to report. More of the same. I've eaten my dinner. It's like 6 p.m. I was starving. I was so hungry. Last time I ate was at noon, and I couldn't take any more medicine because I had to wait 8 hours. So I was starving. I had another one of those Boost shakes, and I made myself some pancakes, and I just poured syrup all over it, and I kind of just gummed it because I couldn't chew it. It felt so satisfying to have real food today. I've already brushed my teeth and flossed and rinsed and everything, and I just have to put my eyeliners back in. While I was eating, I decided to put some cleaner in a cup and clean these. I think it's called Retainer Brite. I'll put the name of it below in the comments. But it cleans them out because these can get pretty disgusting from what I've heard from other people. So it was time for me to put these back in. I took some medicine like right before I ate, and I ate literally 5 seconds ago, figuratively. So now I'm ready to put these back in. They're surprisingly going really easy now. I mean, relatively easy now. Ow. Ow. Yep. Yep. Still tight. Not as tight as it was this morning, that's for sure. Bottom. Ow, ow, ow. Yep. Still tight. So today, all day long, tight, 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 tight. So anyway, thank you for sharing this day with me. Overall, it was just tight. Everything was tight. A lot of pressure, a lot of pain. Couldn't really eat. So that is what day one is like doing Smile Direct Club. I will see you guys next week when I change my aligners, and I'll let you know if anything else happened on day 2 or day 3 or anything like that. Bye. See you next week.